So DIY genius is based on this idea that we all have this unique genius that we need to develop. And that education should be based on finding that genius and sharing that with the world. So I like to describe it as finding the sweet spot of focus where passion meets purpose. And what you get out of that is a mission. And when you're on a mission, you're unstoppable. You're self-motivated. You're full of energy and you're full of passion, and people are attracted to that. You become like a magnet. And I feel like people that know their genius, that are sharing their genius with the world, are the happiest people in the world. They're the people that are getting into flow doing what they're doing. And I feel like for the mental health crisis, for the boredom crisis, for the AI crisis replacing the average worker, we need to look at what makes us as individuals extraordinary, and then how can we find other people like us to collaborate with to create this group flow effect where you have shared goals, a shared mission, shared accountability with other people. And I just want to empower that. And I feel like DIY Genius is a do-it-yourself, learning by doing, experiential learning platform to help people basically live their genius, share their genius, and make a better world through that.